Hi, and welcome to the first ever Sounds of Cambridge Live.
My name is Ben Moore, and I'm a fingerstyle guitarist, but it's all instrumental.
Hi, my name's Dan Walsh. I'm with the Cambridge Live Music Group, and I sit on the board of directors.
My name's Tanya Marie Harris, country artist right here in Cambridge, Ontario.
Well, I'm Bobby Cameron. This is Richard McNeil, and this is Evan Cameron.
I'm Freewheel and Frank Kelly. Band is Mother West Wind's Animal Friends.
My name is Nate. Mine's Brent. And our band is Broad and Narrow.
I'm Derek, I play guitar.
I'm Kyle, I play bass.
Shane, vocals.
Frank, guitar.
I'm Joe Lopez. Nathan Payne. We're the initials.
Well, I'm Jeff Freitas.
Justin Sousa.
Paul Charleville.
Jeremy Grisham.
And we're CounterWait.
And my band is Jesse Parent. Sometimes we go by Jesse Parent and the Pines. I was at the first meeting from Cambridge Live Music, almost 3 years ago. We call ourselves folk rock, Americana, good time music. I just love live music, and I love people that want to see live music and that community that goes around it. So.
Just another Sunday driver that got yourself caught up in the fast lane. Slow down, trying to last for a little while. It's just an illusion, one big magic show, and I am afraid we'll never let it go. We'll never let it go.
It's a song called Treat Me Like Your Girlfriend. He needed to be reminded, I guess, of what it is that, keeps the girl interested. We've been together for 14 years.
So baby, buy me a dozen and show me the loving that makes me remember when. Treat me like your girlfriend, and I'll give you a night you'll never want to end. Don't hold back, who are we to pretend? We both want to love like we had back then. So baby, treat me.
We're playing a song that we contributed to the CD called The Light. Almost 3 years ago to the day my sister passed away. What was originally a tribute song is morphed into a nice uplifting song, so it gives me a happy memory. So.
I can see you, can you see me? Oh, my side light so bright. I can see you, can you see me? Oh, my side light so bright. I'm feeling it, I'm living it, I'm living in that life.
So give Terns a big round of applause, people. Check them out on Facebook and listen to their great song, No Place for a Heart. Terns, everyone.
Dark, no place for a heart, no place for a hiding in the dark, no place for a heart, no place for a heart, no place for a heart, oh, there's no place for a heart.
very much. Thanks for coming out.
Today I played Synchronicity. It's off my debut album, Exposed. And it's alternate tuning.
LucasStagg.com. So they're going to rock and roll for us today with their great song, Lost and Found.
I stumble into the parking lot. Neon lights stopped a flashing bar. Passed out beside a grease bin. Glowing underneath the star. I came back so I could find a love. This town does not define my love. Take a look around. We ain't living in a lost and
Well, I've been a touring musician for basically my life, a better part of 32 years. And I moved into Cambridge about 3 years ago.
finally gets here. I won't be there like I used to. I'll be long gone on my own. And I won't bother to look back anymore. No, I won't bother to look back anymore. No, I won't bother to look back anymore. No, I won't bother to look back anymore.
CounterWait. This is called Get Out.
I Ain't Waiting, which is a song that we wanted to put on our first album, but we didn't kind of. It's essentially a stripped down version of what we're doing today, which is the full band version.
Yeah, it's really fun. The Initials, man, the Initials are great, man, and they were the ones who were good enough to loan us all their back line.
Time seems right at the writer's block that's been keeping you for a night. I ain't no waiting. I ain't no waiting no more, no more. I ain't no waiting. I ain't no waiting no more.
So Kauffey is a long-time friend of mine.
This is their great song, Scramble.
It takes two to tango, but only takes one to step on a toe. Well, you can say what you want, but there's a lot you don't know. It's scramble, it's a gamble, yeah, that's for sure. You know, when I was young, I thought I would do it right. Then I found out it's whatever gets you through the night. So take what you get what you might. It's scramble and a gamble, yeah, you got that right. One more, Pete.
So the Mother West Wind Animal Friends, this was the biggest band that we had on the stage for the day. 7 members, accordions, harmonicas, you name it. Just a wonderful, eclectic group of people.
Face the weather with the warm-hearted people. Our bones. It's a cold, cold winter in Canada. As my journey finally comes to an end. Now I can see what it really means to me to be right back right again. I know that it might ever start to doubt it.
Yeah, Broad and Narrow, man. Killer duo.
Playing a song called That Ain't Love, and it's one of our favorites. I think it's a pretty good upbeat one.
That ain't love.
Rebirth's just a song that we put together, basically have a lot of fun playing music and just getting out there and just, putting our voice out there pretty much. So.
We would rather fight than run away. They could not deny this chosen fate. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you. Good night. Soundsofcambridge.com is the website dedicated to this particular CD, but you can find the link to that at cambridgelivemusic.com. That's the home. Please check it out. Join our mailing list. Check out our posters. Check out our blog. So we want to thank you. We're going to bring everybody out here that was involved, and we really appreciate you being here today. There's Ted. I want to give a big thank you to our founder, Ted Ferris. He's our president. He's the one that started this, just a music fan that wanted to see a live music community built. Thank you.